Google just released a 68-page guide on prompt engineering, packed with useful techniques to get better results from AI. In this playlist, I'll walk you through each method using Python, Langchain, and local LLMs. If you're ready to improve your prompting skills, let's get started. Today, we're diving into prompt engineering with Python, Ollama, and Gemma 3, focusing on how to control your AI's output length for snappy, efficient results. First, we're importing the tools we need. Ollama LLM for local language models, prompt template for crafting prompts, and runnable sequence to chain everything together. Now, let's set up our language model. We'll add a limit to how much text it can generate using the max underline token setting. We're picking the Gemma 3 model, setting the temperature to 0.7 for a bit of creativity, and capping the output at 25 tokens to keep things short and punchy. Next, we're building a prompt template. This will help us turn a long detailed pitch into a catchy one-line tagline. Here, we tell the AI it's a branding expert. We ask it to read the startup pitch and come up with a witty tagline under 15 words. We drop in the actual startup pitch right here, using curly braces to fill in whatever pitch we want. And finally, we cue the AI to generate the tagline right after this line. Now, we're chaining our prompt and model together. This means the prompt feeds straight into the model, ready to generate results. Let's set up a long-form startup pitch. This is the text we'll transform into a short, memorable tagline. Here's our pitch, a smart fridge that uses computer vision and language models to suggest recipes, track food, and even order groceries for you. Time to run the chain. We pass in our pitch and the model will generate a tagline based on our prompt. Let's print out the original pitch first, so you can see what we started with. Here's the full pitch, just as we wrote it. And now let's reveal the AI-generated tagline. Let's check out what the model came up with. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel.